cranberry butter cookies. For these cookies, we need all-purpose flour, butter. I use salted butter, castor sugar, dried cranberry, cut into the small pieces, vanilla extract, egg, baking powder, almond slices, almond flour. First, you mix the butter and sugar. You mix this until light and fluffy. You add the egg and you mix it again until well combined. Now you add vanilla extract. And you beat again. Sift the flour and baking powder. If you use unsalted butter, you can add half teaspoon salt. And you beat again until well combined. You add dried cranberry, almond slices, and almond flour. And you mix with the spatula. Use a baking paper on your baking sheet and you use a spoon to take the dough. You repeat that for all the dough. Preheat your oven 160 degrees Celsius and you bake this about 20 minutes. Okay, this is the result. You see this? Really nice and smells really good. Can't wait to try this. Now it's already cold. I want to try one. Really delicious. The combination between cranberry and almond make really delicious. It's heaven. It's perfect for your coffee or tea time. I love this. You have to try this. You will like. Trust me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave your comments, share my video so your friend also can make this recipe. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.